Howdy folks, been a long time. So now the other video, trying to change the chambers of the RD and put back the stock silencer. So I don't think I found a video which talks about it. So I'm gonna talk to you guys about what tools are required and probably give you an idea how to get it done quickly. So you need two assistants and you need tools for them so that they don't come to you. But to actually change, you need a 14mm, you need a 12mm. This is another one that goes back to my assistant. And you need spacers. These spacers I found from economy cycles. So these actually go in here to this bend pipe. And then you need these spacers that go to the head. So you should be good. Quickly get going on this one. The only challenge is gonna be these are 12mm bolts. Trying to get to these bolts is gonna be quite challenging. So I'm hopefully, that's why I'm gonna use this guy and the screwdriver. That's trick to get it out. Let's see how soon I can get it done with my assistants in play. So 10 minutes through, both my apprentices have gone, so I'm stuck myself here. So these bolts are 14mm bolts, so you need 14mm, and there is a bolt right here. So if you can see that, so that's also a 14mm. If you get one 14mm, you should be good to go. So this now looks to be sorted. So two 14mm and then 12mm on the head.